Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to find the value of this expression. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Then into 6 minus 4 2. So 2 2s are 4. So this is the wrong answer because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS rule. First we have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. In this you have to remember, in multiplication and division both have equal priorities. So for this we go from left to right, and same for addition and subtraction also. So what is the correct answer for this expression? So 6 minus 4 times bracket 6 minus 4 is equal to question mark. So first we have to solve the parenthesis, means bracket part we have to solve. So 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. Then next here minus and multiplication is there. So according to the rule, first we will solve the multiplication. So 6 minus 4 to the 8. So 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus 2 is the correct answer.